So when we're talking about servicing our mowers, and in particular this 422 series, you know, there's a lot of different things that make it easy to service this mower. You know, first off, you have easy access to all your filters on the engine, as well as easy access to underneath the seat here. You have access to your fuel filter, your transmissions, battery, all that is easy to get to. So your service intervals are going to be in your owner's manual when you purchase the mower. But one key important service to remember, and we'll tell you this, is when you buy this mower, there is a 10-hour oil break-in change. So at 10 hours, you're going to change the oil and the oil filter. That's just to get that break-in, you know, the motor's new, kind of get that oil out and get some new in it. So that's one of the most important. Now after that, you can follow the intervals. Most people just do it, you know, once a year, kind of annually, bring it in, and, you know, before spring, because that's when we're busy. But if you can bring it in, we'll go through it, sharpen your blades, grease everything, change your fuel filter, air filter. So that's a good time to bring this in. So one thing, I'll shut this seat back down. So as far as servicing the actual mowing deck and keeping that clean, Kubota makes it very easy on this model to do that. So you can actually come right here, lift this plate out, set it to the side. You have these covers over top of your spindles here. Pop these out. Now we have access to clean our deck. So it's very important to keep this area clean. A lot of times you'll see grass, rocks, sticks piled up on top of this. What that's going to do, it's going to wear your belt out. It could actually throw the belt off of the spindles, and that's a headache. So we always advise, you know, you don't have to do it every time, but it is a good thing, you know, once every other mowing, is to take and clean this off. You can take a compressed air, water hose. Compressed air is probably the best option, but you can't take a water hose and just kind of rinse this off. So that is a key feature there to keeping these things serviced.